text in detail. First, let's talk about the definition. An argument text is a type of text that is used to persuade the reader to agree with the writer's opinion or point of view. In this kind of text, the writer does not only give an opinion, but also provides logical reason, facts, and evidence to support it. The purpose of argumentative text is to make the reader believe that the writer idea is correct and reasonable. Argumentative text is very important in daily life because it helps us express our thoughts clearly and logically. We often use argumentative text when we want to give opinion about social issues, education, technology, and many other topics. Next, I will explain the generic structure of an argumentative text. The first part is introduction. The introduction is the opening paragraph of the text. In this part, the writer introduces the topic that will be discussed. The writer also states their opinion clearly, which is called the thesis statement. This part is very important because it gives the reader a first impression and helps them understand the main idea of the text. The second part is the body. The body is the main part of the argumentative text. In this section, the writer presents several arguments to support their opinion. Each argument is usually explained in one paragraph. The writer can include reason, facts, examples, or data to make the argument stronger. The more logical and clear the argument are, the more convincing the text will be. The third part is conclusion. The conclusion is the final part of the text. In this section, the writer restates their opinion and summarizes the main arguments. The purpose of the conclusion is to give a strong ending and to remind the reader about the writer's point of view. Now let me give you an example of argumentative text. For example, the topic is statins should not use phone in class. In the introduction, the writer introduces the topic and states that statins should not use phone in class. In the body, the writer gives several arguments. First, phone can distract students from learning. Second, phone reduce concentration because students may focus more on social media or games. Third, phone can be used for cheating during exams, which is unfair. In the conclusion, the writer states that phones should not be allowed in class because they have more negative effects and positive ones. In conclusion, argumentative text is a useful type of text that helps us express and defend your opinions using logical thinking and strong arguments. That's all my explanation. Thanks you for your attention.